Alright, so here we have the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max box. The very first thing I notice is this premium matte finish on the packaging. Apple keeps everything clean, minimal, and elegant, just the way we expect from them. The box feels extremely lightweight but still very high-end, and the color on the front looks absolutely beautiful. It really sets the tone for what's inside. Let me turn the box around so you can see all the details. The edges are sharp, the design is simple, and even though Apple never overdoes their packaging, it always manages to feel luxurious. And now, let's finally open it. Here we go. I'll lift the lid slowly, and wow! That looks incredible. Right on top, we're greeted with the iPhone 17 Pro Max itself. No plastic wrap, no unnecessary covers, just a clean, modern presentation. Apple really knows how to make this moment feel special every single year. Let me pick up the phone. The first thing that hits me is the texture. This new finish is insane. It feels smooth, soft, and far more premium than previous models. It's noticeably lighter too, but in a good way. It still feels solid, but the weight distribution is so well balanced that you instantly feel the difference when holding it. Taking a closer look, the edges are more refined than before. They're smoother, more rounded, and give the phone a futuristic vibe. The titanium frame looks beautiful under the light, and the new camera layout, wow! Apple redesigned the lenses again, and they look more professional, almost like a compact camera. The modules sit cleaner, more symmetrical, and more modern compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let me just rotate the phone so you can see every angle. The back texture is incredibly nice, much better grip than last year. It doesn't attract fingerprints easily, which is a huge upgrade. And the bezels. Apple really pushed the limits this time. They're thinner than ever, making the screen feel larger and more immersive without increasing the size of the device. Now let's check what else is inside the box. As expected, Apple's minimal approach continues. We've got the USB-C to USB-C cable, very high quality as always. We have the documentation, SIM information, and of course, the classic Apple sticker. No charger, no cases, but everything is neatly organized and exactly what we're used to with modern iPhones. Honestly, this feels like a major upgrade. The design is more mature, more premium, and more futuristic. The weight is perfect, the finish is on another level, and the camera system looks like it can produce some insane results. Even before turning it on, you can already feel that Apple put a lot of work into refining the overall experience. I can't wait to set this up, test out the performance, try the new camera features, and see how the battery life holds up. I want to compare everything side by side, smoothness, brightness, speaker quality, speed, and of course, photo and video results. And speaking of comparisons, in my next video, I'll be doing a full, detailed comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the new iPhone 17 Pro Max design, camera tests, speed tests, gaming, battery, low-light photography, everything. If you want to see how big the upgrade really is, make sure you don't miss that video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell, so you'll be the first to see the comparison. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.